Couple fun facts about me. I'm a coffee snob. I've never tried pumpkin spice coffee. I also will try anything once, and I am a sucker for an impulse buy. You know, that stuff they put at the counter at the last second there as I was waiting in line. So I had to get it. I don't do drugs. I barely drink. I don't smoke cigarettes. So coffee is like my one and only vice. I don't even think I've ever been in a situation where pumpkin spice was available. Like, I don't go to Starbucks, I don't go to Dunkin' Donuts. I buy gourmet coffee to make at home, and I drink coffee at the office, like lattes and espresso. Maybe I won't be trying this. I can't even open it. I just got a whiff. That is... This is coffee. This is like sweet cinnamon. What? All right, we're just gonna cut it. Hate to do this, but when I was in high school, one of my first jobs was I worked at the sandwich counter at a gas station, and I remember they had like hazelnut coffee. Brew approximately 2 tablespoons for each 6 ounces. All right. That looks weird. Okay, here we go. Another fun fact about me, since we're sharing, this is my cupboard. She's gorgeous. Oh yeah. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. I need cream and sugar. Hold, please. Isn't this the cutest sugar bowl? I got it at a thrift store with the matching spoon. But I digress. I'm stalling. I'm scared. I just always assumed that this type of coffee is like coffee for people that don't like coffee. Kind of like, you know, strawberry vodka or like those like canned seltzer drinks. Like that's alcohol for people that doesn't like alcohol, and that's fine, right? Like I like beer. I like wine. I don't want strawberry mango sparkling canned. I don't know if I made it strong enough. It kind of tastes like pumpkin pie. Like hot, watered down pumpkin pie. It doesn't taste like coffee. Maybe I'm supposed to make it stronger? I'll try anything once. I really wanted to like this. It's everywhere. It's like, it's just not good. I'll try anything once, and I always actually like when I don't like the thing that I try, because then I'm like, okay, well, I never have to do that again.